Hey, Paul Kacheroff at 423 Byland. It's a beautiful morning. It's 8:22. The sun has come up. We're in the subdivision. We're always doing a lot of little extra things after we sell these lots because we understand the people that buy our lots, they come from out of the area and they always need little help and they need somebody that can help them out. And so we're always here for you once you buy a lot, and those little extra things are what separate us from a lot of other people. Well, this is our customer. We sold this lot, I would say about 6 months ago. Lot 501, great lot. And Mr., I don't want to mention any names, he had a pad installed. He did a beautiful job at the pad, and not every pad is the same. I just wanted to show you this pad. If you look at this pad, he brought in a lot more dirt than what the normal person brings in. Of course, what he's doing here is, I believe he's bringing on a mobile home or a cabin. So as you can look at this, I believe he's gone with a 15-inch culvert. Than the average person bringing an RV, but it's just a wonderful, wonderful job. As you can see, he ran about, I'm saying this is about 15 feet wide, and he ran this dirt all the way to the back. But what's significant on this property is it's just how much dirt he brought in. You see, you're limitless, obviously, with how much dirt you can bring in. And for those of you that have extra money to spend, I always say that the foundation is the most important part. Now, he had to bring in a lot of dirt because he needs something really solid to put that cabin or that mobile home on. But if you look at this, you can look at how much he's raised this lot. And if you look from the side profile, you'll see the distance over here. It's really awesome. Now, what a lot of people do is they do these lots a little bit at a time. He can always come in and add more dirt next year or whenever he has the money to do so. But lots like these that customers put in a lot of dirt in the beginning, they're really winning all the way around. But I just really love the way he's done this pad. The pad is really, really strong. They ran over this pad many a times. And the culvert is pretty wide. I believe he's gone with the a little bit wider culvert than they normally do. So he's got the turnability on this property, and he's free to do whatever he wants. I'm assuming he's going to put the cabin more towards the back. He'll have enough space to put several vehicles in the front, and he's on his way to success. So if you purchase a lot, you get going. This is just an example of what you can achieve. And of course, you know, our developer Dave is the best in the area. He's absolutely super. His name is on our webpage, and we boast him all the time. So anyway, it's a beautiful morning, and we're really busy this morning, and we're going to be taking videos, and we're working on lot 211, by the way. I've shot a few videos on lot 211, but we kind of came to a standstill on that property. We're getting back to go into that, so for those of you looking for a lot, 211 is fantastic. So stay tuned. We've got more videos coming your way. Thank you so much for your time. Paul Kacheroff, 423 Byland. Take care.